Safety announcement, no standing. Keep arms and hips in the carriage. No smoking, no vaping. No scratching, no punching and no spitting. And above all, no pole dancing.
Yeah.
Push the train up the hill. If you get to the right with a hole in the ground, there used to be a pavilion there, such as Beverly Sisters and Cliff Richard. And it was destroyed in 1994 by fire. The not so grand hotel has been built for the greatest hotel in the UK for the 11th year. In its heyday, the height of London lived up to its name. During World War II, the ground became the home of the Inland Revenue, where nearly 5,000 civil servants moved in with their families to sleep the land
Oh, that's where we came from?
and Wilson Churchill also frequent visitor here.
Oh, the same thing.
You can see out here.
Sarış.
The port started in 1876 and was opened to the public in 1877. It's 700 kilometers and 700 meters long, and the fifth longest in the UK. There's been voted Build the Year, yeah, I said Build the Year, not Real the Year, of 2025. Later on that news, London St. James was put on the end of the queue. The ships going to Liverpool and Isle of Man. Today, the only steamer to visit, London, is a bravely large sea-going pedal steamer in the world.
Oh, take some nice photos.
Stone Wall is what we call Happy Valley. I know you won't find Sarah to show up there. However, what you will find are the cable cars, which are the long scenery, other Cranberry Ski and Snow Centre. In this moment, we have no snow. It is actually a dry ski slope. It's the longest toboggan run in Europe.
We went there, Mama. Alice Wonderland.